Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about balance sheet. So, among those three financial statement, income statement, cash flow statement, balance sheet is most important one to analyze the financial performance of that particular company. If you take cash flow, it speaks about a short-term finance or a kind of liquidity and solvency of that particular statement is all about for a short term. If you take a income statement, it speaks about the performance, whether the particular company is performing gradually, whether it's performing well or not. So balance sheet, it speaks about from the beginning of particular company till now how the particular company penetrated or how that particular company is running successfully and with the performance, as well as how much their loan they are gets, how much capital they are spent, whether it's an equity amount or debt amount, how much amount they are having, how much current assets, current liabilities, and permanent asset, permanent liabilities, both profit maximization as well as wealth maximization. In income statement, we will be speaking only about net profit or profit maximization. Here we will be speaking about not only profit maximization, here we will be speaking about wealth maximization too. Yes, a balance sheet is a financial statement that provides a snapshot of a company financial position at specific point in time. Over a period of time, how that particular company performed and what is the position of the company now. Because certain companies or certain organization, when they start, they get lot of loans, debt amount will be high. Once they started, they get performed, and once they get profit, they will be uh, settled and repayment that particular loan amount, as well as they paid interest and other things, and they are coming up. That particular company is keep on growing, and they are at now the most important position in that particular market. So company's financial position will be can be analyzed with the help of balance sheet. With the help of the balance sheet, we can able to understand, or we can able to identify the company's financial position at the specific point of time. Fine. It shows how what does the company owns as an asset, what it owns as a liability, and the shareholder equity, which represents the owner interest in the company after liability subtracted from the asset. So as I mentioned, so in balance sheet there will be four divisions will be there, like current asset, permanent asset, current liability, permanent liability, where there will be both debt amount as well as equity amount get involved. If you take capital, there is there will be a type of capital like equity capital and debt capital. Equity capital is own amount. Debt is the person or the particular organization will get loan for that particular organization for running that particular business. So there will be equity amount as well as debt amount will be in that particular organization. It will be only viewed in balance sheet. If you take liabilities, in current liabilities as well as current asset and permanent liabilities can be viewed in this balance sheet. So always, so asset is equal to liabilities plus shareholders equity. Asset, you all know what is asset. Asset is the resource of a company which holds like cash, inventory, property and equipment, machineries, equipments, properties, other properties, assets like kind of building. Inventory is like raw material, finished good or work in progress, cash in hand, property which given for rental, their own property and equipments, tools, machineries, everything comes under asset. Liabilities is long-term obligations like companies owns for others, loan, accounts payable, other debts. So loan amount, other debts, and accounts payable. These are the liabilities. things. So shareholders equity, it represents the owner claim on the company after all liabilities are paid. Once all the liabilities are paid, what is the owner's claim? Owner's claim means how much owner able to get it out of it, or we can call it as an retained earning or contribution who spent for capital. So such we will be calling as a shareholder equity. Fine. So these are the things. Plus, so if the balance sheet is the key tool for assessing company's financial stability, liquidity, capital structure, and alongside income statement, cash flow will evaluate the financial wealth and financial health of that particular company. So balance sheet plays a vital role in a financial statement to decide or to analyze the financial stability or financial sustainability of that particular company is all about, and liquidity, capital structure, how much debt, how much equity it's there. Everything will be known in this balance sheet. Can learn in this balance sheet. With the help of income statement and cash flow, further we can able to know about what is the exact financial wealth or health of that particular organization is all about. So let me share how to read the financial, how to read the balance sheet of the particular organization. So same, I have taken Money Control. Money Control, it's a website of BBC News. It's all about financial market. It's you can search any company. I have taken Suslan Energy. Its share price is 79.95 now. You can take the balance sheet now. We have seen income statement, cash flow. Now we are seeing balance sheet. Okay, so if you take every quarter, they have mentioned what are the assets, what are the liabilities, and other things. Fine. So here we are going to see about stakeholder equity and liability as the first one. Fine. Stakeholder equities and liabilities. So share capital. What is the share capital? How much reserve or surplus they are having? Current liabilities, other liabilities, total liabilities. Totally, the total liabilities is 7,179. Similarly, our asset also 7,179. They have balanced it. So what is the thing is they have we can read balance sheet from this itself. They have spent nearly 1,200 towards reserve and surplus. So share capital amount is now 2,729. 2,729 they are having as a share capital. Among those, what they have uh, they have kept separately 1,198 as a surplus or reserve amount. Their current liabilities, current operating liability is 8,000 and other liabilities is 250. Total liabilities is 7,179. What they are doing is they have invested in fixed asset, a kind of land, labor, a kind of other things. They have spent around 900. The current asset, current liabilities is 3,000. Current asset is they are having lot to sell or lot to spend. So 5,287 is the current asset they are having. Other asset is 985. Total asset is 7,179. What you want to do is you have to see this total as 7,179 compared to previous one. It's far better. They are improving lot. So comparatively, if you compare both other liabilities and other assets are greater. So it's good one. If you take current asset and current liabilities, current asset is good enough. So if you take a kind of fixed asset also, it's far better compared to reserve or surplus amount. So it speaks about the company Susla Energy is performing well. It speaks about those things, and it's they are having nearly 2,000 as a surplus amount and reserve, and their share capital is nearly 2,800. So it speaks about the stability and sustainability of that particular organization, because not only that, they are having fixed asset, current liability, current asset, and other assets, everything they are having, and it's a good number to see. Fine. So it's great one to invest in Suslan Energy, and this is how you want to read the balance sheet, and you have to take the decision, financial decision, towards that particular company. Yes. So this is what all about balance sheet. So till now we have seen about what is financial statement. So financial statement, what is the importance of financial statement, like income statement, cash flow, and balance sheet, what each financial statement, how it contributes to it. If you take income statement, it speaks purely about profitability. When you consider cash flow statement, it speaks about liquidity or solvency of that particular organization. If you take balance sheet, it speaks about the capital structure, and you can able to see the financial stability or financial sustainability of that particular company. So this financial statement is like a horoscope to decide future of that particular organization. So based on this three statement, you can evaluate or you can analyze the performance of that particular company, and you can choose whether you can go with that particular industry, like energy like industry, whether you can invest and you can start a business, or you can invest in these kind of shares. Likewise, you can able to do so. Bye. Thank you. Thank you for patient listen. Thank you.